Hi guys, this is Infinity and I'm going to show you how to fix your candle from tunneling. This is a Yankee candle. It's already lit. I don't know how well you can see the tunneling. It's quite tunneled from about here to here. This is all covered in wax. Yeah. So I'm going to show you my secret weapon for taking care of this, and you do it while the candle is lit, or you could burn it a little extra longer and blow it out and then do it. I'm going to try to do it with it lit. This candle has been burning about a half hour. It's one of those large Yankee candles, and the secret weapon is this. So this is a grapefruit knife. If you've used one, then you know what it is. If you've never used a grapefruit knife is serrated on both sides of the knife, and it's bent at the tip. So this has a very gentle curve. There are other grapefruit knives that have a more geometric angle to them. I just chose this one. I don't know if one is necessarily better than the other. What we're going to do is we're going to start digging with the grapefruit knife around the perimeter. And well, this is actually going to be done in a matter of minutes. And that's it. That's the only tool. So I already separated the, I'm going to try blowing this out. Maybe you could get a better view. Although it's nice to do it while it's lit, because what you do is you can dip the knife into the flame and that heats it up. So I went around the perimeter and I separated the wax, the tunneled wax, from the glass. Now I'm going to start making cuts. And this one is very substantial. This has burned from being brand new all the way down to here, more than half, without me having cleaned it. So I'm going to start making lines in the tunneling section about an inch apart. If it's not too thick, an inch apart or even more is fine. In a very, very thick area, you might have to go a little closer. Like right now, I'm reaching the really heavy area and it's getting hard to cut. So I'm going to heat the knife up in the flame. So you know that expression, a hot knife through butter? Okay, so now I'm just going to start removing the wax. And this is where the grapefruit knife comes in. So you just start. I'm sorry that I'm using a gray candle. I know a red candle would have shown up better on camera. So now I just start removing the wax in the chunks. So you make a line on the bottom, and then you start, just picking them out like ice cubes. Yeah. So I'm going to do the whole thing. And I should have brought some paper towels with me because I like to clean off the glass with a paper towel. And I'm just putting the wax down. I have a piece of paper on the desk that I'm just going to, oops, almost lost the flame there. Okay. We're about halfway done. I'm going to reheat the knife in the flame. Okay, this is looking absolutely perfect. I timed it perfectly. Too soon, like if you don't burn the candle long enough, the wax will be hard and you won't be able to cut it with a knife. So you just let it burn a little longer. You don't want to wait super long. Like I wouldn't wait more than an hour after lighting it, because if you wait more than an hour, then you have even more tunneling on your hands than you did to begin with. Ooh, look at that stretch. If the candle was burning a long time before you try this procedure, I would say blow the candle out. And then if you want to heat your knife up to make your knife hot, just stick the knife over the stove flame or a cigarette lighter or something like that. All right, so now we're getting to the part of the candle where the wax is extremely thick. And I'm going to try to get this all in one take. Okay, I have quite the collection of, oops, candle chunks here. Very nice. Okay, so I don't know if you can tell the difference with it lit. You really maybe not. But this looks absolutely fantastic. So at this point, I am going to blow it out. And then I'm using a tissue, but I recommend a paper towel because it's just more sturdy. So take a paper towel and get the wax off of the glass that you want to clean up. Now this is kind of rough edged, so I won't bother to do the whole thing, but go back a second time once you get all the big chunks off. I mean, look at everything that I took off. I took a lot off. This is all the wax I took off. Okay, just with the grapefruit knife, but I'm going to go over and now cut it deeper and then cut it into a straight line. And when I do that, and then of course go over with the tissue, and then you'll have a nice, flat, beautiful candle. And let's see if you can tell the difference now when I light it. Okay, so now you could definitely tell the difference already, hopefully. I don't know if that appears on camera. But yeah, wow, what a difference. Easy, 2 minutes and you're done.